Hi YouTube. I'm gonna be doing a rap for you. It's about Vincent Castronova. And I hope he sees it. So here it goes. Swag is what he has, grand is what he is, Vinny is his name, dancing is his game. Once you start dancing, girls go prancing. Sick moves, to God, a ladder group. Best of the best, no one can beat that. What? No, he ain't fat. Freaking lovely abs, baby. Let's see. Maybe he's my inspiration. Nah, I'm of inspiration. He's the one and only grand man. You know what? He's got a tan. No, it's not finished. This beat ain't gonna be diminished. It's sick. So is Vinny. Way more than that guy. Kenny? You know, Barbie's hubby? Oh well, let's keep this going. Just like a boat, it's gonna keep rowing. So let's talk about Vinny now. Does he like a cow? Yeah, but he likes drops better. Don't believe me? Ask him in a letter. His fake color's blue. You know what? Mine too. So this finishes it. You better say it. Yes, Vinny is his name. He's got moves he ain't gonna tame. So I hope you like that. And, me and my friend made that, so, yes. So peace out, and, please no hate. So, bye.